In today's video, what I'm going to talk to you guys about is 3 exercises you can do that are body weight only, and you can do them at home. You just need to get a chin-up bar, and they're 3 great exercises that are going to be key for developing the right muscles for pectus and starting your transformation. So if you're young and you haven't got a gym membership yet, or you're yet to sign up at the gym, then these are 3 great exercises for you. So the first exercise you can see me doing is the push-up. Now this is a staple exercise for pectus. Why? The push-up primarily uses your chest muscles, and developing the chest muscles is key for pectus who want to develop muscle in and around the indent. And so the push-up is a great bodyweight movement that you can do at home and should start doing right now and implementing it into your regime, like at least 3 times a week minimum. That's if you're not at a gym and doing other chest-based movements like pressing, bench pressing, dumbbell pressing, stuff like that. Just make sure with your push-ups, if you look at the video of me doing it here, make sure your core's engaged the whole time. You have a nice flat back. You're going nice and slow. Don't let your elbows flare out too much to the side. Keep your elbows at about 45, closer by your side, and push through with your chest and really feel your chest engage. Really important. But we want to counteract that chest development with back development, because if we develop our chest too much, it's actually going to make the condition worse. We need to even it out with back, because that's going to help with the posture, which is really important with pectus. I talk about this all the time. And so the other movement you should be doing that's a great bodyweight movement is chin-ups. So in the first clip you just saw me doing them overhand, so pull-ups, and now I'm doing chin-ups. So chin-ups are an easier variant, so if you're a real beginner they could be good to start with. You can put a resistance band onto you to make it easier too, and then you can go to pull-ups as well. Just make sure they're strict and you're getting really good form, and try and progressively do more of them. And then lastly, the last exercise you can see me doing is leg raises. So we've got one for our chest, which is push-ups, chin-ups, pull-ups for our back, and then leg raises for our core. Developing your core is really important for helping with that rib flare, the pot belly. It's going to help tighten your belly region and get that six-pack cranking and just develop that overall aesthetic physique. And leg raises are my #1 favorite ab movement. They engage your abs like no tomorrow. However, if they are too advanced, then a simple plank could also do the trick. So anyway guys, there are 3 bodyweight movements you guys can do: push-ups, pull-ups, and leg raises. Although you can do planks instead of leg raises if they're too advanced. But anyway, I hope this was helpful, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. Remember to subscribe for future videos. I'll see you later.